Today we have a special treat. Master woodworker Mike Winkler. He's going to do a little fun demo for us. Woodworking with Winkler.
This is what one does when one's retired and has way too much time on their hands, and his girlfriend brings down 3.5-inch round pieces of birch from Maine, from northern Maine. Mark it at 12 inches. Try not to cut your hand off.
Oh, all the blood! I love this little 8-inch Hitachi slider. That's cool.
Go to your bandsaw. Probably preset at about halfway. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't use the guide.
Don't use the guide. So screw eye protection guides. This guy's a
Make
patriot,
sure they're pretty stable. Mark 3 inches, 6 inches, 9 inches.
The old 369, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is what you said on a 12-inch length?
Mm-hmm. Take them over to the 1.5 inch Forstner bit.
Forstner bit.
Double check it because you can't see gray on gray.
Yeah, turn it on.
You know exactly how far you're going to drill in.
I think he took his thumb off.
Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. These are just tea lights going in. Generally right to the top of the cutting bit.
I like your dust collection system.
Yeah. And once again, no eye protection.
No eye protection.
There you have 3 tea lights. Pretty exciting, huh?
This man's gonna be a millionaire. Thank you, Michael.
Hey, anytime. Anytime you need a 40-second video, let me know.
Well, we're at 340. Tea lights, ladies and gentlemen.